ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ. ಹೌದು, ಖಂಡಿತ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ. ಮೊದಲೇ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ.
You know what Zameer Ahmed said, like, first Congress, then Sidramaya. Yeah.
See, every individual he has his way of expressing his views. So Zameer is also a leader. So we see that we all be united, and now it is a united fight against these communal forces in the state, and we'll see that BJP will root it out from the in the next election. Congress will come back. Whoever is the chief minister will rule according to the Ambedkar constitution and the dream of Mahatma Gandhi.
So don't you think two fights between two might be an advantage for third person?
I think there is no fight at all now. We are all united. If we are not united, ultimately that will benefit BJP. But as far as we are all united and unity is there, we'll have a collective leadership and we'll unitedly fight and we'll defeat BJP.